Hi there friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking Today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for all you new cooks out there. Today we're gonna make some salted egg fusilli with bacon. Here's what you need: some fusilli, bacon pieces, cheese, curry leaves, chili padi, butter, and of course salted egg seasoning. So let's get started. Start boiling some water and add a teaspoon of salt into the boiling water. Now to make sure the water is boiling and you can start adding in your fusilli into it. Now we have to make sure that we are cooking it at al dente, meaning that it's not too soft but firm to the bite. Now most packaging has its timing on it, so you can check it out, otherwise I'm cooking it at 5 minutes. Now while waiting, we can cut up our chili padi. Now preference to how you like it, I am actually adding 2 chili padi into the dish. That's gonna give like medium heat to the dish. And next we're just gonna add in some curry leaves. I'm adding about 3 stalks in there. Now how we're gonna pluck them is not to actually pluck one by one, but hold on to the end of the stem and just pull it right through, and all of the curry leaves are going to separate. And there you go, some chili padi, curry leaves, butter, cheese, and my ready al dente fusilli. We're gonna add about a tablespoon or so of butter into a medium heat pan. Now you have to work with this quite quickly. We don't want to have the butter to brown out too fast because it melts pretty fast onto a medium heat pan. So I'm gonna quickly add in some curry leaves, just stirring right through together with the butter. As you can see, I didn't wait for the butter to completely melt into the pan. Next, I'm gonna add my chili padi into the pan and just working right through together with the curry leaves as well as the butter. Continuously stir it so that the butter doesn't brown out too fast. Now I'm gonna add in my seasoning of my salted egg. The one I'm currently using is by Knorr, Knorr. I'm just gonna add in about a tablespoon or 2. And a little bit more right into the pan, and quickly just stir right through it because this is going to melt pretty fast. So just continuously stir right through and add in your al dente pasta, the fusilli, and just make sure you work right through it and get it evenly coated. What I'm adding in right here is a spoonful of the pasta water that we previously boiled, the one that has salt in it. I'm gonna add in some cheese. This is really your preference, but right here I'm added some shredded cheese of red cheddar together with mozzarella to give a little bit of cheesy flavor into it. And that's it, you guys, we're all done. Just scoop it right through. I'm adding in some bacon pieces. This one right here, the bacon flavored, you can get it at any supermarket. The one I'm adding is gonna add some texture into the dish. And we're all done. Now wasn't that easy? I promise you guys. So be sure to like and subscribe to check out more videos of easy breezy recipes. For all you guys who are new to cooking, I've got you. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Bye you guys.